Chef Mod from Asian Inspirations is back with me in the markets. There's some beautiful ingredients in front of us. What are you cooking?
So today I'm gonna cook Pat Woon Sen.
Beautiful.
Actually, Pat means stir fry.
Yep.
Woon Sen is glass noodle.
Yep.
So Pat Woon Sen is like common Thai dish.
Yep.
That we do like stir fry glass noodle. So we start with the chicken.
Chicken goes in, the sizzle, that's what you want. So Mod, this is a traditional Thai recipe?
Yes, correct. And this is, I add a little bit of spiciness in there.
Ooh, yeah.
So, yeah.
So it's the Chef Mod twist on a Thai classic.
The glass noodle, you need to like rehydrate it a little bit.
Yep. So just soak in cold water?
Cold water.
Cold water.
Or if you rush, you can soak in warm water, but not hot water.
And then obviously you want them nice and cold, so when they go back into the pan, they're going to warm through and you're not going to overcook the noodles.
Yes, correct. Onion in there.
Onions, beautiful.
Garlic.
Beautiful. Smells amazing already. Garlic and onion.
Yes,
anything with garlic and onion.
So we add this one.
Beautiful. So the peppercorns go whole. So if you don't want to eat the whole peppercorns, they're still attached. You can kind of avoid them, but they are pretty yummy.
Or if you want it to release more flavor, you can crush it a little bit.
Ooh, okay, that's a good little tip. Chef Mod, that's a very chefy tip. How long have you been cooking for?
Yes, almost 20 years.
20 years. My gosh, that means that I was 10 when you started cooking. You've got a lot of experience on me, so I'm going to pay lots of attention to this one.
And chili.
Beautiful.
And lamb leaf.
All right, Mod, I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, after the spice.
Yep.
Release some flavor out, so you add the vegetables.
Beautiful. Carrots.
Carrots will take a bit longer than mushroom to cook, so we cook a little bit.
Beautiful.
So
and the mushrooms. All right, Mod, this is smelling amazing. Next up, what are we going with?
Next, so I will push all the things to the side.
Beautiful.
And then I add egg in there.
So no pre-whisking, just straight in with the eggs.
Straight in there.
I like this.
And straight away, noodle.
Beautiful, the glass noodles. So you're almost scrambling the eggs in now with the noodles to coat them. Yum. Let's talk sauces. You've got lots of little spices and sauces here. What are we adding in next?
So we have oyster sauce.
Beautiful.
Sweet soy sauce.
Yum.
Sugar.
Yep.
White pepper.
Yep. Mod, the most important ingredient is obviously the Squid Brand Fish Sauce, which is actually gluten-free, and with the rice noodles as well, actually makes the whole dish gluten-free, which is excellent. Obviously got incredible, robust flavour, and it's just going to change any dish from, I think, a really good dish to an incredible dish.
Yes.
And you don't need much of it as well, because it's so intense and full of umami and whatnot that a few drops will just change the dish completely.
Yes, correct.
So a good amount of white pepper, some sugar, the oyster sauce, yum.
Sweet soy sauce.
And the sweet soy sauce, so nice and sticky and sweet and caramelized and reduced, which we love. And for you, Chef Mod,
and
the fish
sauce. For my tip, I will not put on the food straight away.
Oh, okay.
Just put on the side.
Ooh.
Because you see the side is hot.
Yes.
So the heat will burn the protein and things in there. And
bring out that beautiful natural flavour. That's an excellent tip for the fish sauce. Beautiful. So it's going to change it from having more fish sauces like a dipping style sauce where you want that fresh anchovy flavour to that really deep and caramelised flavour. All right, finishing touches, Mod. We've got the spring onions.
Yes.
Extra chilli and fresh basil.
Yes.
And that's it.
Everything in there.
I love it. I love it. Beautiful.
That's it.
Beautiful. Such a quick, wholesome, healthy, easy dinner. And like you said, you can add any kind of vegetables, protein, as long as you've got your key ingredients, which is obviously the fish sauce, which is going to just change the dish completely. I think we're onto a winner here. Mod, I think it would be rude if I didn't have a taste, but I don't want to, oh, no, I'm going to ruin the plate. I'll just get a bit of those noodles.
Nice.
Woo! There is a good amount of chili in there, Chef Mod. That is delicious. It's spicy, the umami flavours. You can taste everything in there. It's fresh. It's a winner. I love it. Chef Mod, thank you again for joining me. You can come back whenever and cook up any of your delicious Thai delicacies.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
For having me.